Here's the shocking truth. Most people are still wasting hours every week on tasks that n8n could automate in minutes. If you're not using it yet, you're already falling behind. Think about how much time you spend copying data, sending repetitive emails, or juggling apps that don't talk to each other. That's the problem n8n solves. It's an open-source automation tool that connects everything in your workflow without expensive subscriptions or limits. With n8n, you can build workflows that run automatically in the background. New lead in Gmail? Instantly added to Notion. Payment in Stripe? Auto-send a Slack message. Instead of hiring a VA or paying for 10 different apps, n8n does it all for free, or close to it. And wait till you see the hidden feature at the end that Zapier doesn't want you to know about. Here's the best part. n8n isn't locked into a few integrations. You can connect almost anything. APIs, databases, webhooks, without being a programmer. Drag, drop, done. And because it's open source, you're not at the mercy of price hikes or limited tasks. Let me give you real examples. Content creators use n8n to auto-publish clips across YouTube, TikTok, and Twitter. Startups use it to sync leads from Facebook ads straight into their CRM. Even developers use it to monitor servers and send alerts in real time. The possibilities? Endless. And if you think this sounds complicated, wait until I show you how easy it actually is. n8n looks intimidating at first, but once you drag your first few nodes, it clicks. The interface is clean, the docs are simple, and the community is massive. You don't need to be technical to get started. Seriously, it's easier than Excel formulas. If this resonates, you'll love the next tip, because I'm about to show you the real secret that makes n8n unstoppable. Here's what almost nobody talks about: self-hosting. With n8n, you can run it on your own server, meaning unlimited workflows, total data control, and 0 monthly fees. For businesses, that's a game changer. No lock-ins, no hidden limits, and complete ownership of your automation. So, why do you need n8n in 2025? Because time is money, and automating everything fast is the new competitive edge. Whether you're a freelancer, a small business, or a creator, this tool pays for itself the second you use it. Now I want your take. Would you replace Zapier with n8n? Comment below. I'm curious how many of you are ready to switch. And remember, tools are only as powerful as the way you stack them. Stick around, because in my next video, I'll break down a complete n8n workflow you can copy right away. Hit subscribe so you don't miss it.